Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial I'm going to show you guys how to insert rows and columns in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward tutorial, and without further ado, let's jump right into it. So let's say you want to add a new row. So just go to whatever row you want to appear below the new row. So let's say we want a new row in between 6 and 7. I'm going to select number 7 right here, and I'm going to right click on it, left click on where it says insert. And there you go guys, we've inserted one row. And now let's say you wanted to add a new column in between C and D. Same process, you want to go to D, right click on it, and then left click on insert. And now you have a new column in between C and E. So pretty straightforward. Do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.